everybody, Carolina is on here, graduate student of the Grok mentoring program. It is Wednesday, October 12th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. And look what we see here today. What a beautiful test of the upper area of resistance right here at the 57.19 mark. And what happened here was that the bulls opened the day higher. You took control over the market after we opened, and then lost their steam, lost their power, and gave up most of their profits here at the end of the day, and we finished the day lower. So it's not a really good sign. It means that bulls are losing their power here, so they're losing some gas and they're slowing down a bit. So that is why, and that's the reason why we do see that little reversal candlestick pattern right here, which developed at the top of the up leg, and it's called a shooting star. That's what it looks like to me. We are at resistance, having that shooting star candlestick formation at the top of the rally. So that could be a sign of a reversal coming up here pretty shortly. But the thing that we need to pay close attention to is a confirmation. So we need to see a confirmation of that shooting star formation right here. What is that confirmation? First thing tomorrow, what we need to look for as confirmation is a breakout through the low of today, which is at the 56.56 mark. And then in terms for the shooting star to be confirmed, we will have to close the day below the low of 56.56. So that is one thing that's very important here. Also, it would be perfect if we close below the 200-day moving average, which is here in blue. That is another very important area of support that we will have to fight and break through in terms for us to go lower. So that is another thing. And the next thing that we need to pay close attention to as well is the MACD. The MACD is slowing down a little bit here. That's what I see on the MACD. So that's good. The bulls are losing their steam. They're giving up a little bit here. And the MACD is slowing down. That's a good sign. So what we need to look for, right together with the confirmation on our chart, we need to see the MACD to start pointing south, pointing lower towards the zero line again. And also we'll have to see some increase in volume. We do see that increase in volume here today on that shooting star formation, which means that we could be putting on a top. That's what it tells me here right now. But we never know what's going to happen here. That's why I really want you to pay close attention to the low of today, the 56.56 mark, as well as to the MACD, and also look for some increase in volume. So that would be a really perfect confirmation. But if this little guy is never confirmed, and if the bulls decided to go higher and to push the markets higher, then we'll have to pay close attention to that area of resistance right here, the 57.19 mark, and then the next big one would be right here at about the 57.75. So watch all of the areas of resistance here, as well as the low of today, the 56.56, and then the 200-day moving average, as well as the one down below, which is at the 55.38. So that's all very important areas of support and resistance for you to watch throughout the day tomorrow. Alright, so that's all that I see here on this chart today. Have a wonderful day, evening, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.